Welcome to the Weekly Roundup Report with Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we're coming to you from the Roswell location. Let's go see what we got going on. Mark, what are you working on this morning?
I had a customer come in with a CV axle issue, getting some clicking noise, so I'm just pricing some stuff out for him, getting them taken care of.
What you working on this morning, Chloe?
Good morning. This morning we are currently working on, just got a diagnostic in for some electrical problems. About to get that back to a technician so we can get it all figured out.
Thank you. What you got going on this morning, Caesar?
Yeah, I resealed the oil pan for the very leak. Right now is 50% finished. I need to remove the differential from differential, the rack and pinion, the dry shaft. That's a big job.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thanks for joining us today for the Weekly Roundup Report from the Roswell location. We'll see you next time.